Ang ningning ng mga tali nakikita ko sa iyong mga mata.
Ningning ng iyong mga mata'y nahanap ko sa mga tala.
Ito na naman hindi mapakali, iniisip ka tuwing gabi. Naalala mga bawat sandali na nandito ka sa aking tabi.
Walang problema kahit sobrang traffic.
Hi guys, welcome. My name is Prestige P, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I cut my hair into a bob and also how I style it. This hair is from my hair company, prestigehumanhair.com. If you click the link down below and you go to the wig section, and it's called Prestige Wig. This is the same exact wig, but guys know when you do get the hair, it doesn't come like perfect, so you have to go ahead and style it the way how you like it to be. So right now what I'm going to do before I cut it into a perfect bob is just straighten it out a little bit, not too much. I'm just going to go ahead and use my straightening iron and just straighten it out, because you guys know when you wash your hair and all of that, it doesn't come perfectly straight. You have a little curl into it. So personally for me, I like to straighten my hair just a little bit before I cut it into a bob. So this is the straightening iron that I got, well, that I have. I got it from Amazon. And then I'm just going to go ahead and just straighten it out just a little bit. I don't want it to be perfect. I just wanted to have a little straight into the hair before I cut it. So I did went ahead and put the olive oil. This is the heat protector and serum in one. I already went ahead and I put it onto the hair. So I'm going to go ahead and just straighten the hair all the way up to the top until I am completely done.
Come ride with me when you are free. Call me when it's free. You don't have to tell nobody that you're coming home with me.
Huwag mong pansinin ang mga tumitingin sa ating dalawa. Oh, baby, I want you back right now. Baby, I want you back right now. Yeah, the way you love, can you teach me how?
Lalambingin kita alagaan. Ikaw lang ang tatabihan sa higaan.
Tila ko ay nakalutang sa langit,
Ngunit nalulunod sa iyong mga ngiti.
at kung hanggang dito lang talaga tayo, hindi pa babayaan ang daang tinahak na kabiligan.
Umabot tayo hanggang dulo. Kapit lang na makikita, abutin natin ang mga dala. Kaya salamat sa pag-ibig mo. Pag-ibig mo, lagi kang nasa puso't isip ko.
So this is the hair after it is all straightened, and as you can see, it is not perfect, but this is what I like to do. So yeah, so the scissors that I'll be using is the shear scissors. I got it from the beauty supply store. I do have the other one that the barber used. I don't know what you call those, you know, those big one that the barber used to cut hair. That's what I have, but I couldn't find it for shit. But guess what, after the video I found it, and I was so mad, but I was like, you know what, I did cut it really good because the scissors is very sharp, so it did the job. But I do have the other one that, you know, the barbers always use. So the hair is already short. It is a 12-inch, but I wanted to cut really straight and even. Some part is not straight, you know, some part is long and some part is short. So that's what I'm doing right now, and I want to cut it into like a 10-inch instead of a 12-inch, you know, because it's a bob. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do right now is just comb it out and make sure everything is, you know, flat as ever, so that you can see how to cut it, because you don't want a zigzag cut, you want a straight cut. That's what I'm going for. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just continue to cut all the way until, you know, I get that straight edge cut.
Walang gusto.
Ngayon alam ko nang hindi ko kaya mabuhay nang wala ka. Kahit saan man tayo magpunta, di na nang magkikita.
You want me together. Gusto ko sa'kin ikaw. Pangako sa iyo, ikaw lang ang aking dalagang Pilipina. Ikaw ang dalaga, ikaw yung prinsesa. Pag nawala ka pa nakakawalang gana, baby.
Kaso lang wala na nga, pero alam ko na masaya ka na. Sa mundo ko wala nang makakagawa, makakatumbas na yung napadama. Salamat sa pag-ibig mo, ibig mo lagi kang nasa puso't isip ko. Isip ko at inaamin ko na namimiss kita, na namimiss kita.
So this is the way how it is after it's cut. As you can see, it is completely straight, but you know me, I want to cut some more. So you know, I see a little bit of hair hanging down, so I just go ahead and just cut a little bit more. But you want to take a look at the hair on, you know, both sides to make sure that everything is straight, not crooked, straight. So that's what I'm doing. So now I'm going to go ahead and give this hair a really good press, like super duper straight, bone straight press with a little bit of, you know, curve to it, not fully, because some people like it to be, you know, above to be bone straight, and you know, some people like it to be a little bit of buff, just a little teeny buff. So I'm going to show you how I do that. So I'm going to take my straightening iron again, and I'm going to slowly curve it a little bit at the end. As you can see how I do my hand, I curve it a little bit. So watch me right now as I do it, and curve a little bit, not too much, don't go all the way in, just a little curve. And this is the way how I like to do it. It's fine for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it just like that until I reach to the top. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and just curve it in when I reach to the end, just a little bit. See, just like that. And yeah, pretty much, you know, simple thing to do, you know, bump the hair the way how you like it. And yeah, just continue to watch me.
Gusto kita na mapasagin, kahit na mali, katabi ka ng matagal at di lang ngayong gabi.
Hindi nila mapipigilan tayong dalawa. Hindi nila mapipigilan tayong dalawa. Bakit ganito? Ikaw lang gusto, ngiti mo sapat, masaya na ako. Bakit ganito? Ikaw lang gusto, dalhin kita sa
Halos
paraiso.
5 oras na akong nag-aantay sa'yo, nag-aabang ako sa labas ng bahay niyo.
So this is the way how it look, a little bit of bump, okay, just a little bit of bump, and I like it like this. It looks so damn pretty, especially when I put it onto my head. Oh my god, I was so in love. And I also have this hair on still. Okay, it's been, when did I put this hair on? I put this hair on Friday. Yeah, I put this hair on last week Friday, so it's been almost a week, almost 5 days now I have this hair on. So, and I really love it. Even though I haven't bumped it yet, but you know, I still have this hair on. So yeah, I'm just going to continue to bump it and make it look good.
Huwag mo na lang sanang isipin na katulad ako nila. Ang gusto ko lang naman talaga sa'yo ay mahalin ka, baby. Alam ko naman kasalanan ko, o sinayang ko.
Basta sa akin ka sumama na, di na ko maghahanapan ng iba.
Huwag mong pansinin ang mga nagkatingin sa ating dalawa, sa ating...
Also, I went into my, what is it, Sebastian hair shaper, and this is the hard hold spray. Do not put a lot. The reason why I put it, just to keep the curl, you know, the bump the bump even. That's why I put it in, because it's a hard hold spray. It's not an oil sheen, it's a hard hold spray, so you got to be careful when you put it. And use my wax stick just to get the front very flat, because I want to have a very flat installation. And I got this wax stick from Amazon, and then I'm going to go ahead and take my hot comb that I'm still working on. You know, guys, I'm working on it. I'm trying to get everything together. My vendor is kind of taking long because you guys know that, you know, the virus, everything is just slow. Everything is just damn slow. So yeah, I'm still working on my hot comb, but you know, make sure you follow me on Instagram so that you can get updated when I completely and finally launch this. You know, it's going to be a custom hot comb that you can put your name on it, your initial, anything that you want to put on it that, you know, you can do. So that's what it's going to be. So I'm just going to go ahead and use the hot comb and just straighten the front. The finished look, guys. I love this hair so much. As I said, this is from my hair company, prestigehumanhair.com. If you click the link, you will see this exact hair, and it's called Prestige in the wig section. And yeah, I hope you love this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.